This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something. Irfan, I didn't say, why don't you, Irfan, can you show your screen? Now, yesterday, I've told you guys before, I've been using a skill called Counsel. And there were some things, I love it, but there were some things I didn't like about it. And part of it was, not that it matters, but part of it was that it was the execution part of the side of things was with Python. And so if we shared it, we'd have to rely that people would have Python installed. So I had Claude rewrite it using AutoHotkey for the API calls to OpenRouter. But go to VS Code. We're going to demo. I don't want to show the thing. I want to show the thing. I don't want to show the thing, if that makes sense. We want to demo using it. And so I called it Ask Guru. And there's different things you can do with it. You can brainstorm on an idea. You can debug. You can have it grill you about like what's missing. See here again. He / Ask Guru, like it's so ingrained in him. It doesn't matter if I'm just pointing it out, right? Like it is better to do it, but I just say, hey, brainstorm on this. Just give it a topic. Why? Okay. What? No.
What should I say?
You can start off with the Ask Guru, like just don't put the / Yeah.
Okay.
To brainstorm on, and I would spell brainstorm correctly, but shouldn't matter. On why AutoHotkey, or the differences between AutoHotkey and Python. Because what was I doing? I was working on a different tool this morning, and it tried implementing it, and it was doing it with Python. And I'm like, hey, why are you using Python? I said, it's okay if you have a reason, but if there's no reason, just use AutoHotkey. And it's like, oh, in this case, there was no reason. My go-to is Python. And I'm like, yeah, okay, well.
Yeah, they do default to Python, most of them.
So this is connected to OpenRouter. And usually what I have is a script where I'm working on it, and I'll ask it for to help debug, or ask it to bounce the Claude's ideas off of the other AI tools. So this goes to OpenRouter automatically. Usually I already have an idea first, and so it feeds it the idea, tells it to brainstorm on it or do whatever, and then returns it. And then Claude stitches it all together and says, this model said they all agreed on this part. Here were some interesting ones from Gemini, and here's some interesting ones from Grok. And I think these, and then it gives its opinion about what everything was.
What the best one is. That's a great little tool.
It's really good especially when you're debugging, because Claude or any AI tool you're using can get stuck, right? But to quickly say, hey, stop, just go ask counsel, or
yeah, exactly.
And it will come back and often give you the right, here's what we think. I was missing this part, and it tells you the right direction to go.
Here it goes. So this is where it's coming out, right? This is interesting. I will show you. This is a very interesting take on debugging, because in the end, you're doing something very similar to what I'm doing. The only thing is how I implemented it. That's interesting. All right.
So you can go in and tell it which models you want to, since it's in OpenRouter.
Right. This is so cool. You have access to all of them.
Yeah, exactly.
Let me share my screen real quick here, Irfan. So